on the trees. It's not sticking. It's melting like instantly from the trees' natural warmth. And it's melting and sticking to all the branches, which is bad because all that ice will freeze and make the limbs way heavier. And all the limbs, not all of them, some of them, can fall, crack from the weight. It's a pretty healthy tree, though. I do see a little bit on the stump, possibly. Possibly need, trim it up or something, but it's not my tree. Technically, I guess. Well, it's not my problem. That's it. I should say that. Snow's accumulating right there. You can't see it, but it's on a little tire track over there. That's pretty cool. This camera's odd. No, only likes picking up when it's on the face screen. It's weird. It's clear. I guess I can't move the camera. It's just stuck right where it's at. This storm, it better just like crack off like a lighter. Yeah, I don't know how much video time this has. I can hear something. Water on the side of the house already. The conditions out today are, let's just say, not that good. If you go anywhere, I'd advise you bring water, blankets, a couple cans of food, lighter, matches, crackers, flashlights. Portable air compressor, mini little axe or little hatchet or something, fork and spoon, knife, little things like that. But mainly, if you're going outside, you just need to be careful. And whatever the speed limit says when it's snowing, you would take 25% of that off. And when you come to a stop, make sure you know when you're coming to a stop. Start slowing down a quarter mile away so you can actually stop. And we don't have as many accidents on the road. It's ridiculous nowadays. Like, come on, man. Like you're trying to get an accident. What are you doing? It don't make no sense nowadays. Drive around, this one guy was sitting in the place. He couldn't come through one parking. It was through. It went, like a four-way, but it wasn't a four-way. It was offset. So he had to go like left and then right. Apparently I was sitting in between the thing. He was honking at one car, and I'm like, nah. And he almost hit me. He pulled the van up beside him. I'm sure, oh boy, I was mad. I hope Jesus wasn't looking at me that day because I was fired up. Whew. But the storm. Consistently. Okay.